Hi everyone, welcome to Travel Buddies. How have you been? Did you watch the previous video? Share your thoughts in the comments. Today, we're taking you to the west side of Tehran. Now that you've seen some parts of west and some parts of east of Tehran, which one do you like more? Let us know what you think. Before we begin today's journey, let me mention a couple things, as always. First, I'd like to thank you for your support. Your like and subscribe mean the world to us. Second, we have always said that this channel has been created for one reason and one reason only. And that is to show the reality of Iran, the beauty of this country. We try our best to show you historical and cultural places, the nature, the people and traditions. There is so much to show and to talk about. It's like a never-ending story. So, if you're interested in this subject, let me assure you that you're in good hands. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. That's all we ask. Third, we have never and probably will never engage in political and religious activities, and we won't give any statements until we believe we are qualified enough to do. So kindly note and accept this from us. Also, we don't tolerate hate speech and any sort of violence towards ourselves or any beloved in the comments, so be aware before trying to do such a thing, because we will take actions against that. All in all, thanks for respecting and honoring our decisions. Anyway, where was I? Yeah, east or west? I personally prefer east because I think it has saved its texture, and it's more lively. The west is a bit modernized, but both are pretty cool. Today, we're walking in the west side, a little near Aryashahr. You might already know about it from our previous videos. Remember Goldie's Tower and Sadeghieh Square? Yeah, that's there. If you remember, I have mentioned in those videos a couple times how to get here by subway, and I also have said there's a subway station called Sadeghieh, right? Well, here's the path. This street you're watching goes to the subway station, and these peddlers are always here. Well, I have been coming and going by this path for 3 years, and they've been here every single day, so it means they are part of the street. There are multiple streets that go to the subway, but this is the most bright one, so it's a bit safer. The peddlers here have some good quality stuff. I have bought one of my favorite sweaters here, and it's so good. I love it. You can check it out if you ever need to get on or off in Sadeghieh subway station. It's usually crowded as a street. Oh, and recently a restaurant opened up that has some homemade food. We always dine here because the food is delicious. It's good quality and the prices are alright. Check it out sometime. It's a small place. I think that's it. We'll try to cover more and more of these areas so you can see better. Take care and enjoy the video. All the love.
مجبورید کنم رو بخورید یه بطیر و در بطیر چرا؟
sana hadi kwa safari ya muziki. Hadi oğlum. Şuna bu.